Hi folks, Dr. Mary Warren here. I am at the National Aviation Education Center in conjunction with the Commemorative Air Force Base that will be hosting our Girls in Aviation Day event on September 23rd in just a couple of weeks. And as you probably know from past years, I really get excited about all of this. FiFi is back in the house. There she is right behind us, and she will be here that day. We've got a bunch of other airplanes that are inside that are all of commemorative exception, and one of these, which is the last remaining 4-engine plane on the planet, is Diamond Lil, and she's a beauty. She'll be here with us that day as well. Don't really know if she's going to be on the inside or the outside, but here's Diamond Lil. So she's a B-24, and there she is. Pretty amazing, huh? So we're here getting our layout plans finalized for all the girls that will be with us. This is a Girls in Aviation Day event 2023 for the Women in Aviation North Texas chapter. Girls ages 8 to 18 will have a day of learning all about aviation, career paths and job opportunities. We'll have a VIP section for the teen girls, where we'll have a career panel with professionals from all walks of aviation to talk with them about what they do. We'll also have an experiential area where the girls can put together combustion engines and take things apart and work with women that quite often have grease under their fingernails. There'll be a pre-flight area out on the ramp. We'll have static display out on the ramp. We'll have schools and colleges, universities, Air Force reserves. We'll have programs. We'll have local schools will be here, and then we've got all kinds of wonderful sponsors who are going to be with us this year. Our grand benefactor is Boeing, then right behind is Airbus Helicopters, who's here locally, and then we've got Millionaire, who's here locally. We've got Collins Aerospace, which is here locally. We've got American Airlines Academy for the cadets. We've got Piedmont. Those are some of our big ones, and I'm probably forgetting a couple. And then we've got a whole host of people. It's going to be a great day. It's a free event, but we do ask you to register. If you'll go to waintx.org, you'll find the event and you'll be able to register and come join us. Girls ages 8 to 18, and you'll get to see a lot of exciting aviation memorabilia and learn a lot and have a great day. All right, see you soon, Road Warriors. Bye.